Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 52. Which law is obeyed when volume is doubled and pressure is halved? A. Boyle's law, B. Charles' law, C. Gay-Lussac's law, D. Law of constant composition, and E. Law of reciprocal proportion. Now, this question is that the volume was doubled. That is, let's say we have V1, then it was what? Doubled. So we had 2V1. And then the pressure is halved, meaning that we had P1 initial pressure and then it was halved. That's P1 all over 2. Now looking at this, you'll notice that since the pressure was doubled and the volume was doubled, what happens? There was a decrease in the pressure by half. And this statement simply implies what? That the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. Thereby we will say V is equals to what? K, that's introducing a constant, all over P. And so therefore we say Vp is equals to K. And therefore V1 P1 is equals to V2 P2. Now looking at this statement, this is what? This is Boyle's law. Boyle's law, which states that the mass or the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided that the temperature is constant. And if you look at this, you'll notice that what, because of this inverse proportion, since they say what, increase in the volume by 2, that is the volume was increased by what, by doubling it, there will be what, a decrease in the pressure by half. So this statement is what is Boyle's law. For Charles' law simply states that what, volume is directly proportional to temperature, provided that what, pressure remains constant. And for Gay-Lussac's law states that Gay-Lussac's law is a law of combining volumes, which states that when gases react, they do so in volumes. That is, the gases react in volumes which are of simple ratio to one another, and then to the volume of the products if gaseous, provided that the temperature and pressure remains constant. Then the law of constant composition, also known as law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion states that all pure samples of a particle of a particular chemical compound contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass. So that is the law of what, constant composition. Now the law of reciprocal proportion states that the masses of several elements, let's say for instance we have several elements A, B and C, that the masses of these several elements which combine separately with a fixed mass of another element D are the same as the simple multiples of the masses in which A, B and C themselves combine with what? Combine with one another. So these are what these laws actually what stated. But from this expression here, that volume is doubled and pressure is halved, it is typically what? Boyle's law. And that is option A, Boyle's law. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.